Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS border width, and right now we'll be discussing about how to set a specific size for every border width. Once again, how to set a specific size for every border width. The border width property can have from 1 to 4 values for the top border, right border, bottom border, and the left border. Once again, the border width property can have from anything from 1 to 4 values for the top border, right border, bottom border, and the left border. So, like for instance, now right here, I want to bring in a shape right here so you can be able to understand what I'm talking about. Let's say this shape right here, you've seen right here, we are able to identify the shape because it's having border, right? This black borders you're seeing, left, right, top, and the bottom. So if you want to increase the size of every width you are seeing right here, this thing you are seeing right here represent the width. The top also is also, we can call it also width. The left, right, everything we can call it what? Width. So for you to represent this, we have to specifically arrange this. Maybe we want it to have the same border width, or we want it to have different border width. That's what I'm talking about. So please, I want you guys to stay tuned and focus on this, because this is going to be a little tricky chapter. So please, Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day.